Top 10 instructing facts about economics and psychology. 1. A country's GDP, gross domestic product, measures its economic performance. 2. The concept of supply and demand is fundamental in economics. 3. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first decentralized cryptocurrency. 4. The stock market can be a reflection of a country's economic health. 5. Inflation occurs when there is a general increase in prices and fall in the purchasing value of money. 6. The placebo effect can significantly influence how people respond to treatment. 7. Cognitive dissonance is the mental discomfort experienced by a person who holds contradictory beliefs. 8. The concept of the fight or flight response was first described by Walter Cannon. 9. A study found that humans can remember about 7 pieces of information at a time. 10. Emotional intelligence is often more important for success than traditional IQ. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, friends.